Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1972 Chevrolet Nova YENKO clone badged as a 427 car. Beautiful paint job throughout the entire vehicle. Excellent chrome grille, all the emblems, decals, torque thrust wheels, front power disc brakes on the car, dual sport mirrors on the car. Beautiful stance on my little Nova. Wait till you see under the hood. It does have a dual exhaust system under the car, turbo, 400 automatic transmission as well. Big block 454 under the hood, but has been badged as a 427. Let's check out really quick under the hood here. Really nice car. As you can see, the high-rise intake, headers, the booster for the disc, the power steering, factory A-arms, bushings look great. Suspension feels awesome on the car. Brand new carb, 4-barrel aluminum radiator. Just a nice clean under the hood. Chrome alternator, chrome valve covers. Beautiful paint. The reflection on this car is amazing throughout, all the way around. Black interior. Beautiful door jambs, brand new door panels, excellent door jambs on both sides. I just added these stickers onto the seat, so I'm going to have to wait for that to stick on a little bit more. Seat belts in the rear intact there. Nice package tray, tight headliner with dome light functioning. Odometer shows 11,264 miles. We got triple gauge package, Pioneer radio. Headlights, yes, function, turn signals work. Excuse me here. Wipers work. Radio we got to look into. I'm not sure about that. We'll get the horn functioning. We're just waiting for one part to come in. New oil change. All the fluids have been gone through as well. Everything else looks good on the car. Let me just roll down the passenger window. It's 90 degrees here today. It's hot. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah, this ain't no joke. Steering feels excellent. This is a heat delete car, so it's only driven on very nice days. Clean gauge functions. Nice rubber floor mats. Clean carpet. Excuse my cough. Nice tight headliner, like I mentioned. Shifts excellent. Temp gauge holding at 180. You got 50 plus pounds of oil pressure as well. Car stops great. Just make sure there's no cops around. So really quick, MGM's got about 100 classic cars. We hand pick them. We travel the country. country to look for them. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway. We also do delivery. I'll just need your zip code to get you a free quote for the delivery process. We do financing. If your current score is between 600 and 739, you'll need about 10% down. You can fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. What was your thought on that? Wow. That's a quarter throttle, no joke. What a fun car. Tracks down the road real nice. No weird noises going down the road. Just really nice and solid car. So listen, if your credit score is 740 or higher, we got some very good interest rates, and you can fill out that credit application at lightstream.com. Go around the block here and make this little drive a little bit longer for us. I really enjoy this thing. It's a nicely built car. Odometer showing about 11,000 miles. But cars over 25 years are exempt with mileage. Does have a fresh big block in it, rebuilt, along with the turbo 400 trans. And yes, it's a Posi. And it appears to have a 12 bolt in the rear. That's what it appears to be. Really nice car, guys. Brand new steering wheel, just really clean, ready for the car shows. Piston cruise is real nice too, but it's a monster when you get on it. All right, get back on the road here. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You got to see what I got coming tomorrow. Hundreds of cars available. Check us out. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it. Alright, gonna get back to the shop now. We got 3 full-time mechanics that go through our vehicles. We do a pre-delivery inspection on all the cars. 400 5-star reviews and 100% feedback on eBay, guys. We work hard to earn your trust. Hope there's no cops around here. That's why you spend the money for a big block. Yeah, baby. This thing's freaking fun, man. I am smiling from ear to ear, guys. All right, well, you know everything about the car, I hope. Call me or text me at 847-848-1850. I'll get you a delivery quote. We offer financing and delivery, guys. Check out our cars at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, and thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. Enjoy your day, because I will enjoy mine.